increment is used to decrease the value by 1. Post increment is available, and post increment and pre increment. Similarly, post decrement and pre decrement is available. Okay. Huh? Keyword class, right? Okay, let's do one example on this. Integer b is equal to a minus minus plus minus minus a plus a minus minus. Now I want integer b. What is the b? System.out.println of b. System.out.println of b. 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3 only. 11 pakka 9 why 11? 5 plus 3 plus 3 here. Integer b is equal to a minus minus. क्या होगा? First, it is a post decrement or it is a pre decrement. Post decrement. That means it will use it or it will decrement it, right? First it will use it, then it will become 5. Then after this, decrement will happen. When the decrement happened, it became 4, right? But here what it will happen now? Pre-decrement plus, no, here it is 3. Why? Because pre-decrement. Here A is having post-decrement. That means first it will use the variable as 5. When it use the variable as 5, then what happened here? This will be decremented. When it is decremented, it will become 4. It will decrement, it will become 4. When it became 4, again here we are having pre. So 4 pre-decrement. Then what will happen? It will become 3. After becoming 3, then what happened? First use the value, decrement. So that means what will happen here? 3. Then here what will happen? 3. Here already it became 3, na? Already it became 3 here. Same 3 will be used here. Then after using it will decrement it. It will decrement it. So now what is the output? 11 is the output. So some people told 9. Some people told 9. First, post decrement. Post decrement means it will use the variable. It will use as it is. After using, decrement happening. By the time it comes here, a value became 4. But here again pre-increment available. That will become 3. So it will be 3 here. After using 3, then it will go to next position. It is a post or it is a pre? Post. It will use the variable as it is. Then after it is going to do the decrement. 5 plus 3 plus 3, the result is 11. Got my point? Yes. Confusion है क्या? mixed decrement, post pre decrement. It is post pre decrement. Can you see my naming convention for the class? Post one word, pre one word, decrement one word. In every word, first character I am writing as a uppercase. That is the recommended naming convention for the class names as well as for the interface names. Class names and interface names. Very good. So with this we understood arithmetic operators, guys. In the arithmetic operator, these two are difficult, confusing. These are easy. These are little confusing. You have to do the calculation properly. All right. What is the purpose of arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operations. They are used to perform arithmetic operations. Addition, subtraction, division, multiplication and modulus. Division will give quotient. When it comes to modulus, it will give remainder. Some people don't know this also. Please remember that. Modulus will give remainder. Division will give quotient. Increment and decrement. Increment will be represented by double plus. Decrement will be represented by double minus. Increment is used to increase the value of variable by 1. Increment is divided into two types. One is a post increment, another one is pre-increment. Post increment will come after using the variable. Pre-increment will come before using the variable. Decrement is used to decrease the value of variable by 1. Decrement is divided into two types. One is a post decrement, another one is pre-decrement. Now here we have done some examples on post increment. See here, a is equal to 5, a plus plus. Here I am using a with the post increment. First it will use it, that means it will print it. It will print as it is. After printing, then the a value will become 6. Okay? When it comes to here, a value already incremented. A value already incremented. So now it will, a value already incremented. Here 5, it incremented to 6. Here I am using the 6 here. 6 plus plus. By this line is executed, it will become 7. It will become 7. Then I am doing SOP of a plus plus. A value is 7. 7 will be used as it is. After using the 7, then increment will happen. It will become 8. After printing, it will become 8. Then if I do system.out.println of a value became 8 here, that 8 will print as it is here. Understand this program? Look at this. Read this comment, then you will get more clarity. Read the comment, then you will get more clarity. Completed? Yes. Let's come to pre-increment program. Read this. Pre-increment. Integer a is equal to 5. Plus plus of a. What is the meaning of plus plus of a? It is a pre-increment. First it will increment, then it will print it. So a value is incremented. That means it became 6, then it is printing that. It became 6, then it is printing that. Now plus plus of a, what is happening here? It is becoming 7. It is becoming 7. Then again I am printing 7 pre-increment. That means it will become 8. Then it is going to print that 8. When I do this, it is already incremented, so it will print as it is. Read this code, understand with this comment, then you will get more clarity. Look at that code. Completed? Yes. It is a mix now. We are doing both increments in single program. Plus plus A plus plus, A plus plus, plus plus A. So this is the outcome. Next, coming to decrement. I am using post and pre in the single program. Int A is equal to 5, post decrement. It will print 5 as it is, then it will become 4. Here minus minus of A, 4 will become 3 directly because it is a pre-decrement. 4 will be printed, 3 will be printed. Then I am doing post and pre-decrement at a time. Post and pre-decrement at a time. So A minus minus, it is a post, it will be used as it is. After this A value became 4, 4 minus minus 4, it will become 3. A value became 3, it is a post, 3 will be used as it is. 5 plus 3 plus 3. Okay. Done. With this we are clear with what is increment, what is decrement, what is post increment, pre-increment, post decrement and pre-decrement. And the next one, logical operators. What is the next one? So first let's go with relational operators. What are the relational operators? What are the relational operators available? Relational operators. Relational operators. In the relational operators, we are having greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. Equal to is also available. It is used to compare the values. Okay. So when you want to check the relation between two operands, then you can go for relational operator. Right. Greater than. A value greater than B value. A value greater than or equal to B value. A value not equal to B value. C value equals to D value. In order to check the relation between operands, we are going to use relational operators. What are the relational operators available? Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equals to, double equals to. What is the purpose of this double equals to? Equal to check the equality of the two operands. To check the equality of two operands, we are going to use double equals to. I want to check my salary is equals to my friend's salary or not. How can I check my salary, my friend's salary both are same or not? By using double equals to operator. I want to check my age is not equal to your age. How can we check that? By using not equal to. By using not equal to. I want to check A value is bigger than B value. By using greater than. I want to check C value is less than D value. Less than or equal to. So if you want to check the relation between the operators, then relation between the operands, then you can go for relational operators. Now I will not write the program directly. We need to understand control statements. In the control statements, we will demonstrate on these operators. Clear? Next one, we are having logical operators. We are having logical operators. What are the logical operators available? And is available, and or is available, and is available, or is available, and not is available. These are called as logical operators. If you want to check more than one condition, if you want to check more than one condition, now I will go for and. I want to check this person is having above 1 lakh salary and he is from Hyderabad. How can I check? His salary should be 1 lakh, his native place should be Hyderabad. Salary should be equal to 1 lakh and native place is equal to Hyderabad. If you want to check two conditions, then we will go for AND operator. Now I have a option. If this person's salary is 1 lakh, or if he belongs to Bangalore, or any one condition is satisfied, I want to do the operation if both conditions are satisfied. Then suppose for example, person's salary should be greater than 1 lakh, person should belongs to Telangana state only. AND operator. Person's salary should be greater than or equal to 1 lakh, he can be from any state. He can be from any state. OR operator. So if you want to check two conditions, then we will go for AND. And if two conditions are satisfied, then only do the action. Then we will go for AND operator. If any one condition satisfied to do the action, then I will go for OR operator. If it is not satisfying the condition, then NOT operator. So like this we are having relational operators as well as logical operators. What is the purpose of relational operators? Check the relation between the operands. What is the purpose of logical operators? To check the conditions. So if you want to check more than one condition, if you want to check only one condition, then relational operator is sufficient. Greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, double equals to, not equals to. Such a kind of relation we can check by using relational operators. If you want to check more than one condition, I want to check more than one condition, then we will go for logical operators. Do you know truth table? True means true. True means true. True false means false. True means both false means both false. Both false means true. So you know truth table? Yes. So when we are working with the logical operators, we need to remember that truth table. If both conditions are true, it will become true. If one condition is false, it will become false. If both two are false and false, true, right? So here like that we need to make that truth table to understand this logical operators. So once we jump into control statements, then we will get more clarity on relational operators and logical operators, because theoretically if we discuss, you will not get that much clarity. We will write the program and we will understand when to go for relational operator and when to go for logical operator. And the next one, there is assignment operator. What is the meaning of assignment operator? Equals to. It is used to assign the value to variable. So equals is called as assignment operator. What is the purpose of this? It is used to assign the value for a variable. Integer a equals to 10. What is the meaning of equals? Assigning the value to the variable. Assigning the value to the variable. And the next one, we have new operator. This is not required immediately, guys. In the OOPS, we are going to understand new operator. First thing, new operator is used to create the object for a class. What is the purpose of new? It is used to create the object for a class. The syntax is class name class name reference variable is equal to new class name. Here we are using new operator to create the object for a class. First, just remember, new is one operator which is used to create the object for a class. Where the objects will be stored in the JVM? Method area or heap area? Objects. Are you sure? Yes. Method area, class code will be stored into method area. Objects will be stored into heap area. How to create a object in the Java? New is the operator, or we can say new keyword. So by using this new keyword or new operator, we can create the object for a class. In the OOPS, we will understand more about the objects, classes, relations and all those things. Okay. Next one, we are having dot operator. We are having dot operator. What is the purpose of dot operator? What is the purpose of dot operator? Dot operator is used to combine, or it is used to access members of the class, members of the object. Okay. Now here I want to use system. Inside the system class there is a variable called out variable. How I am accessing out variable in the system class? Dot out. Are you guys getting my point? System dot out. What is the meaning of that dot? It is used to access the members of the class. It is used to access the members of the variable, members of the objects. Class members, object members we can access by using dot operator. I am writing system dot out dot println. Out is a variable, println is a method. Are you guys getting my point? Inside the system class, out is a variable, class name dot variable name, class name dot method name. In order to access the members of the class, members of the object, we are going to use the dot. Dot is a relational operator. Dot will represent the relation. Got my point? What is the difference between dot operator and a new operator? What is the difference between dot operator and a new operator? New operator is used to create the objects. Objects will be created in the heap area. Objects will be created in the heap area. Memory will be allocated for the classes in the method area. Memory will be allocated for objects in the heap area. Right. Dot operator is used to access class variables and class methods. So I have a class, person class available. In the person class there is a name variable. How can I access that? Person dot name. We are going to use name. Right. So dot operator we are using. Dot operator is used to access members of the class. Class variables and class methods we can access by using dot operator. Yeah. No. You can access variables of the class by using class name if that variable is a static variable. There is a concept called static variable, instance variables. Instance variables will access by using object name. Static variables will access by using class name. Again, OOPS concept. Got it? Yeah. So lot of things are there. But I can't explain all those things right now. Q. If I explain, you will feel Java is difficult. I don't want to give such a kind of impression Java is difficult. Slowly we are going to understand. Right. For the time being, just remember what is a dot, what is new, that's it. So in future we are going to work with them. In every program we will use the dot operators and the new operators, because we need to create the objects and we need to access the variables, we need to access the methods. For that we need to go for dot operators. Dot operator and new operator. Assignment operator. What is the purpose of assignment operator? Assignment operator is used to initialize. Equals is called as assignment operators. Equals is called as assignment operator. What is the purpose of this equals? It is used to assign the value for a variable. Integer a is equal to 10. 10 value we are assigning to a variable. For that we are using assignment operator. Here logical operators. To check more than one condition, to check more than one condition, then we will use logical operators. What are the logical operators available? AND operator, OR operator and NOT operators are available. What is the purpose of relational operators? Greater than, less than, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equals to, not equals to, and double equals to. These things we are going to call as relational operators. Relational operators are used to check relation between operands, whether this variable is greater than this variable or not, whether this variable less than this variable or not, whether this variable equals to this variable or not, whether this variable not equal to this variable or not. To check the relation between the operands, we are going to use relational operators. When you want to check more than one relation, then we are going to use logical operators. To perform the mathematic operations, we are having arithmetic operations. In the arithmetic operations, we are having addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, modulus, increment and decrement is available. Are you clear? Yep. Any questions? Huh? Ternary operator, yes, we'll come to that. Yeah, bitwise operators also available here. There is one more operator called ternary operator is available. Ternary operator is available. That is also called as conditional operator. Conditional operator. Expression 1, expression 2 and expression 3 our result will be available. That is called ternary operator. If first condition satisfied, second condition, or else go for third condition. So ternary operator is also available. We will understand that in the tomorrow session. Okay. Any questions? It will evaluate. It will evaluate. Minus minus a plus plus a is asking minus minus a plus integer a is equal to 5. Tell me the result.
4.
What will happen? 9. Here it will become 4. 4. After becoming it will 4. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. It will become 9. Yes, you can do that. Alright. Dot operator. Dot operator is used to access class variables and methods. Class variables and methods. System dot out dot. So to represent that relation, we are going to use dot operators. Got it? Yep. So with this knowledge, tomorrow we will enter into control statements. When we work on control statements, then you will get more clarity on the operators. So we just understood theoretically